Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. Today I will show you how to connect to a scanner. In my case, it's an all-in-one printer scanner solution. The first thing you can do is install SimpleScan. So when you say search for scanner, then document scanner, SimpleScan, at least for me that's the first result. And in my case, the scanner is connected to the network through Wi-Fi. And I'll launch SimpleScan. It says searching, and it already found the Canon Pixma MX920 series. Well, we only want to scan a single page in this case, but it also has a page feeder. And apparently SimpleScan does support a page feeder, but I think that's a bit too much to show here. When we go to the preferences, let us say quality, image resolution 300 dpi, and when you select text, the default is 150 dpi. So we'll go with this for the time being, and I'll click scan. And I dug up an old Dutch Linux magazine, and back in those days they came with a CD-ROM, and yeah, it was 2002, so like around 600 megabytes downloading that. That wasn't always a lot of fun, so a magazine with a CD-ROM was really added value. And it is a bit a trip down memory lane, because you can see it's mentioning Caldera Open Linux on the CD-ROM. It also has an article about synchronizing with Palm, back in the days when the PDAs were relatively popular. Well, it also has support for rotating. Well, in my case, I don't need to rotate, so I can rotate it back. You can also crop it. So, well, let's say when I deselect it, yeah, then it will pick it up. And then you can save it. And we'll go with the default. It can save it as a PDF, a JPEG, ping. So let's just say ping. And let's see how big that file is. Documents. And so an A4 scan lossless is 19.6 megabytes. So that's a relatively big file, and probably you can also get away with it in JPEG. It will be a much smaller file. And you can see that, well, as long as there is support for your scanner, then it's really easy to start using Manjaro with a scanner. So that's all for today, and I hope to see you again in my next video.